Hi friends, welcome to the first episode of All About Money series of Skanda Alga. In this intro video, we are going to discuss about the basic money management and various avenue of saving and investment. So general rule of saving is 50, 30, 20. So total salary or the monthly income whatever you are receiving, so it should be divided into three portion of 50%, 30% and 20%. Say your total income is 10k, then you have to divide this into 5k, 3k and 2k. So 50% of the income should be utilized for the basic needs or the essentials of the life, like grocery, EMI payment, bill and utility payments, transport expense, insurance, healthcare. So these kind of payments can be done with this 50%. So this should be limited spending of 50% of our income. Next is the 30% of the income can be utilized of the needs. So which is not the essential for the life, but not so important to run our day-to-day life as well. So these expenses are like shopping, eating out, entertainment, trips, travels and any other expenses which can be done for the hobbies. So that portion of your income should be, that is the 20% of the income should be utilized for the savings or investment purpose. So in budgeting terms, if you say, it's very important to save or investment should be done first before doing any other expenses to avoid those missing of those 20% goals of savings. So this can be done via moving funds to other accounts or doing SIP whenever you receive your salary or the income. So first goal of the saving should be done to build the emergency fund. So we will go through the main part of the saving. So first goal of the saving should be done to build the emergency corpus fund. So this fund is required to handle any kind of emergency situation which can arise in future. Basic thumb rule of emergency fund is to have 3 months earning should be kept as the emergency fund. So this can be saved in a separate saving account or through liquid funds. So main thing needs to be done is, so this fund can be easily accessible without any delay. So that's the main concept of the emergency fund. So once you achieve this particular emergency fund, then you should look for the next option of clearing of any debts you have. So debts means the loans whatever you have. It can be anything like a personal loan or the housing loan or any other credit card loan. So whatever the thing, so this should be closed. So after your part of the emergency fund has been finalized or the finished. So this can be done by increasing your EMI amount or doing a prepayment of loans or pre-closure of the loans. So once you have done your emergency fund and once you clear all your debts, then only you have to look for the savings or the investment of your savings. So main reason of clearing your debts is important, because in most scenarios the whatever the investment you are going to do, it won't be making the higher returns than your debt interest rates. That means your loan interest rate. Okay, so investment can be done in the various methods. So here we can see high level. So we can classify into three. So first one is the fixed income. So as per its name suggests, so it will give you the fixed returns, less returns and less risk. Can be used for initial investment and can be used with any other investment method which we are going to tell, so that your investment portfolio won't give you the big negative surprises. So various investment options under this categories are fixed deposits, provident fund, public provident fund, small saving schemes like NSE bonds, Kisan Vikas bond and other saving schemes Also you can go for the bonds and debentures. So bonds and debentures you can directly go and invest, or you can also try with the debt mutual funds. The second type of investment is the variable assets. It won't have any fixed interest rate or any other variety, and it will have returns with the volatility. It can go into even negative as well. So higher risk with a higher return. You can have this investment in your portfolio to gain higher returns. So this can be done in a direct stock investment, and whoever doesn't have the knowledge on the direct stock investment can go into equity mutual funds. We can do the small cases as well, so which can be provided by the stockbrokers like HDFC Security and others. So where you will get a basket of stocks based on the different risk profile. So you can choose whatever the small case which you want, so that you can proceed with your investment in the small case. So other than this, there is another way of investment. It is like an alternative investment. It's even more higher riskier than the stocks and the equity mutual funds. So it can even give you the more rewards. Once you are done with the sufficient investment in all these three investment and you have still sufficient fund, then you can look for these alternative investments. So just give you a brief introduction on this alternative investment. So you can do this alternative investment with a PTP lending, leasing business, settlement financing, REIT, and so on. So these are all the various options available for the alternative investment. So it's a high risk. So if you are having more risk here, then you can go for it. And third type of investment is the tangible one. So it's a real estate and gold can be done for this kind of investment. Okay, this can be used as a hedge to your overall portfolio. So because it won't have a big risk in terms of the negative returns, also it will have a low risk, low investment, low risk and low return kind of type. This one also you have to consider while doing investment in this. So you have to consider the safety of this investment, and while selling, so what is the liquidity available for this particular type of investment. So these things you need to identify before you are doing investment in this kind of tangible ones. So that's all for the day, so for this video. So hope you like it. So if you like the content of the video, you can like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. If you do have any comments regarding the video or improvement, or need to discuss on any specific topics related to money management or the investment related, please do comment below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.